ohmathgad.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to evaluate algebraic expressions with costs. So in this type of problems that we're going to be seeing today, we're going to be given a price, and then whenever we are given that price, you can actually express the total cost by multiplying that price by the amount that you buy, right? So for example, if you have an apple and each apple costs $1.20, then the cost of a amount of apples is going to be $1.20 times the amount of apples that you buy, which is A, for example, right? So that is the easiest way in which you can express the total cost. So if you have more than one thing, you just keep adding them. So let's see today's problem. So the problem says, at the market, the price of tomatoes is $3.25 per pound. Again, this is very important, per pound. The price of watermelons is $0.68 per pound. Write an algebraic expression that can be used to determine the total cost of buying watermelon that weighs W pounds and some tomatoes that weigh T pounds. Okay, guys. So the cost, right, is going to be the cost of each individual thing that you're going to buy multiplied by the amount, okay, that you're going to buy. So tomatoes is $3.25 per pound. So it's $3.25. And how many pounds do I buy? I buy T amount of pounds. So it's going to be 3.25 T plus the amount of the price of watermelons is going to be 0.68 per pound. So I'm going to add 0.68 per pound multiplied by how many pounds did I buy? I bought W pounds. And that is how we're going to express it. So the total cost in terms of T and W, the algebraic expression is going to be 3.25 T plus 0.68 W, where T is the amount of pounds of tomatoes and W the amount of pounds of watermelon, right? So we have a follow-up question which says, how much will it cost if Lisa wants to buy 5 pounds of tomatoes and a 10-pound watermelon, right? So in this case, we go to the previous problems where we evaluated expressions. And how did we evaluate? We substitute, right? So we're going to substitute the amounts. So 5 of tomatoes, so T is going to be equal to 5, and 10 pounds of watermelon. So W is going to be equal to 10. And we're just going to substitute. So the cost is going to be equal to 3.25 by the value of T, which is now 5, because it is the amount that we bought, plus 0.68 multiplied by by W, which is the amount of watermelon. So we bought 10 pounds of watermelon, right? And we're just gonna multiply. So 3.25 times 5 is going to be a value of 16.25. And 0.68 times 10 is going to be 6,8. And you just gotta add them at the end for the total that Lisa is going to buy is $23.05. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So remember, you identify the cost of each product and multiply by the amount of each product that you're going to buy. You can first express it as an algebraic expression and then just substitute. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!